Ever wondered why that pile of tasks just seems to keep growing, no matter how much time you have? Don't worry, you're not alone. Procrastination is a familiar foe to many of us, and today we're going to explore some practical tips to help you conquer it. First, understand the root cause of your procrastination. Is it fear? Is it overwhelm? Or perhaps it's a simple lack of motivation? Identifying the reason behind your procrastination is the first step towards overcoming it. Second, break your tasks down into smaller, manageable chunks. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when faced with a mountain of work, but by dividing it into smaller tasks, you can tackle each one individually, making the overall task seem less daunting. Third, prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal, and some are more important than others. By determining which tasks are most important and focusing on those first, you can ensure that you're making the most of your time. Fourth, set a specific timeline for each task. Deadlines create a sense of urgency, which can help motivate you to get started. Just make sure the deadlines are realistic and achievable to avoid adding unnecessary stress. Fifth, eliminate distractions. Whether it's the constant pinging of your phone or the lure of social media, distractions can easily derail your focus. Consider turning off your notifications or setting aside specific, distraction-free times during your day. Sixth, reward yourself. It's important to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Whether it's a break to enjoy a cup of coffee or a walk outside, rewarding yourself can provide the motivation you need to keep going. Seventh, seek accountability. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or a professional coach, having someone to hold you accountable can provide an extra push to get things done. To wrap it all up, overcoming procrastination involves understanding the root cause, breaking tasks down, prioritizing, setting timelines, eliminating distractions, rewarding your progress, and seeking accountability. Remember, the goal isn't to eliminate procrastination completely, but rather to manage it effectively. Procrastination is not a life sentence. It's a habit, and like any other habit, it can be broken. But it requires effort, patience, and most importantly, a willingness to change. So the next time you find yourself putting off a task, remember these tips. They may just help you conquer your procrastination once and for all.